Okay guys, so today we're going to be doing problems 5 through 9 on the ACT math for 2011 Form 1MC. So let's start. Problem number 5. Copy, paste, enlarge. The oxygen saturation level of a river is found by dividing the amount of dissolved oxygen the river water currently has per liter by the dissolved oxygen capacity per liter of water, and then converting to a percent. If the if the river currently has 7.3 milligrams of dissolved oxygen per liter of water and the dissolved oxygen capacity is 9.8 milligrams per liter, what is the oxygen saturation level to the nearest percent? Okay, so in order to do this, let's read that again. The oxygen saturation level is found by dividing the amount of dissolved oxygen the river water currently has per liter by the dissolved oxygen capacity per liter of the water, and then converting to a percent. So let's just divide this, the current amount of dissolved oxygen, 7.3 milligrams of dissolved oxygen per liter, by the dissolved oxygen capacity, 9.8 milligrams per liter. And then we have to convert to a percent. So I'll show you how to do that in a second. It's really easy. So 7.3 divided by 9.8. So we divide that, and we get, I'll use a calculator for this. Calculator. 7.3 divided by 9.8. 0.74 something something something. Remember, this is to the nearest percent. The nearest percent. So we're going to the nearest percent. Now, we've got like 0.74 something something, but in order to convert to a percent, all we have to do is multiply this number by 100. And we get 74.489795, and that's closest to 74%. So the answer is D, 74%. Okay. So the next problem is here. A rectangular lot that measures 150 by 200 is completely fenced. What is the approximate length in feet of the fence? Okay, let's think about this. A rectangular lot is completely fenced, right? (150, 200). Let's just draw a little picture. This is 150 feet, 200. And then we put 150 another side, 200. All we have to do now is to find what is the approximate length in feet of the fence. So it's completely fenced. Well, what they're asking for here is the perimeter. You have to know that. They're asking for the perimeter. Perimeter of this rectangle. So all you got to do is add 200 plus 200 plus 150 plus 150. We can use a calculator for this, but this is simple addition in your head. 200 plus 200 is 400 plus 150 plus 150. So that's 400 plus 300, which is 700. J over here. Let's just cut this out now. Let's go to number 7. This involves some of your mathematical properties. The expression A times parentheses B plus, actually A times bracket B plus parentheses C minus D close parentheses close bracket is equivalent to, and you have to know this one, so let's write this one out. A times B plus C minus D in parentheses, and then we close the bracket. You have to distribute A first to both B and C minus D. So this is equivalent to AB plus A times C minus D and then you have to distribute A to C minus D. So this is equal to AB plus AC plus AC, and then you distribute A and minus D, so you get minus AD. So AB plus AC minus AD. And the answer is A. Cut. Okay. Number 8. This is a simple algebra problem. Edit copy. Edit paste. If 4x plus 3 equals 9x minus 4, what is x equals to? So let's just write this out. 4x plus 3 equals 9x minus 4. Okay, so let's first add 4 to this side. We go plus 4. So when we do this, we get 4x plus 7 equals 9x. And then we subtract 4x from both sides, minus 4x. And we get 5x equals 7. And then we solve for x. X equals 7 over 5. Voila. F. 7 over 5. Done. That's how simple it is. Okay, so this is the final problem for this video. What two numbers should be placed in the blanks below so the difference between the consecutive terms is the same? Okay, so this is pretty interesting. The first thing we got to remember is that the difference between consecutive numbers is the same. So each time that we move one space up, we're adding x. We're adding a number. So this is like plus x, and then this again is plus x, right? And essentially this is saying that 17 plus x equals this, and then this plus x equals this. So this means that 17 plus 2x equals this, and then 17 plus 3x, because this is the same difference, plus x is 41. So first we got to find 41 minus 17. 41 minus 17. And typically I like to use a calculator because I'm lazy like that, but who cares? 11 minus 7 is 4. 4 minus 1, that's 2, so that's 24, right? So we have to divide by 3 because we added x 3 times in order to get 41. 24 divided by 3 equals 8, right? So x equals 8. X equals 8. So now what we got to do is 17 plus 8 plus 8 is the first term, and then 17 plus 16 is the second term, because 17 plus 8 essentially, plus 16 is the second term. So what we get is, what is 17 plus 8? Well, we get 25. And what's 17 plus 16? We get 33. So the correct answer is C. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and hope to see you next time. Thank you.